So, in activity 7 of our BrightSparks for Kids guide, we incorporated 3 cells in series, a variable resistor and our bulb. And we could see that if we varied the variable resistor, we could dim the brightness of the bulb. And this would be similar to a dimmer switch in your house. If you have a dimmer switch on your lighting, you can adjust the brightness of the lights that you have. Now there might be other components where you might want to vary the rate at which they operate, and this would also be used for a variable resistor. Now in activity 8 we'll incorporate a motor. We're also going to incorporate an additional cell into our series circuit. So I'm going to disconnect the positive lead, and as we've done in previous activities, we're going to follow our procedure of wiring our cells in series. And we have our third cell here. We've got our positive terminal, our red terminal. We're going to plug a lead from that into the black negative terminal of our fourth battery. We'll plug a lead into our positive terminal and we'll leave that there. Now as you can see, our circuit is not complete, so it's not working at the moment. We can just test it to make sure that our leads are all working. We can see that our circuit would work and our bulb lights. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the bulb and we're going to bring in our motor. So here you can see that our motor does have a black negative terminal and a red positive terminal, and here you can see the circuit symbol for our motor. You can also see that we've put on a propeller so that we can see when the motor is operating. You'll also be able to hear it. So I'll use our black lead, so we're following through from our negative terminal through the variable resistor, and we're plugging into the black negative terminal of our motor. It's important because our motor works this way. Now we'll put our red lead from our positive terminal of our cells here. Hopefully you'll be able to hear that, and you should see that our propeller is whirring around there and we can hear it as well. Now if I vary our variable resistor, you can see that it's now stopping. So we're introducing high resistance, reducing the current supply to our motor so that it doesn't operate. If I decrease the resistance very slowly, you should see that our motor starts to work. If I decrease the resistance, and that means that the current supply in the circuit is increased now that our motor operates, and we can vary the rate at which the motor operates using this variable resistor. Now there might be uses where you might not want your motor to operate at its fastest all the time, so you may wish to vary the rate at which the motor operates, and you can do that using your variable resistor.